Hello friends, this is Shunyadama, Matt Dasappa's DDRRS Research Center. All in zero, all from zero, all to zero. Zero is the subject that cannot be grasped through our five senses. Friends, today I am going to talk about two important subjects. They are factorism and the second one is actorism. Factorism is the term, is the word which is coined by the word fact, and actorism is the word which is coined by the word act. Now let us talk about factorism. Factorism is the subject which studies about the visible, and actorism is the subject which studies about the invisible. The DDRRS theory completely deals with actorism, that means about the invisible. Of course, you can call it as zero, or you can call it as eternity, or you can give some other names to it. But it is the theory of zero or the invisible. I'll give you one example about factorism so that you will be able to understand it better. There were two persons, person A and person B. Due to some reasons, person A stabs person B. Because of the severe injuries in the chest, person B dies. And it is scientifically proved because a sharp weapon was pierced into person B's chest, damaging some important organs in the body. So the death of the person caused because of a sharp weapon, and it is scientifically proved. So this is a fact, and it is called as factorism. Friends, please remember this. Now let us go for the second subject, that is actorism. There was a woman in a village who was living alone. Her only son was working in the army. Her son was some thousands of kilometers away from her. She was happy in the village, and of course he was working in the army, serving the country. After some days, the woman in the village got a text message from the higher authorities of the army stating that her son was killed in the battle. The woman in the village heard the news that her son was dead. Immediately, because of the shock, she suffered a heart attack and she died. So here the important thing to be noted is, which is the weapon which killed the woman? In the first example, when we were talking about factorism, the reason for the death of person B was a sharp weapon, a sharp instrument. But here, according to actorism, the woman also died. No weapon killed the woman. It was just a shock. Or more clearly, I can say that it was just an understanding that her son was dead. She imagined that her son was dead in the army. So she underwent a heart attack, and at the spot she died. Can this be scientifically proved, the death of the woman? It cannot be scientifically proved. So that here what we have to understand is that which can be happened by a weapon also can be happened by understanding. The woman was not killed by a weapon, but person B, who comes under factorism, was killed by a sharp weapon. So here it is very important to note that something which is not visible killed the woman. The shock, how can it be explained? It is not a weapon. So friends, DDRRS theory, as I said in the beginning, completely deals about the invisible. Please think over this. Other videos, other topics will be discussed in the upcoming videos. Thank you.